morning, students. I myself, Jadhav A.R. from Swami Ramananda Bharati Vidya Mandir and Junior College, Tasgaon. In previous lecture, we studied the test cross, back cross and the neo-Mendelism. Today, we are going to learn about the gene interactions. There are two types of the gene interactions, intragenic interactions and the intergenic interactions. First, intragenic interactions. These intragenic interactions occurs between the alleles of the same gene. First example of the intragenic interactions is incomplete dominance. In incomplete dominance, both the alleles of a allelomorphic pair express themselves partially. Means in this case one allele cannot suppress the expression of other allele. It means that no one allele is dominant or other allele is recessive. Due to this, intermediate characters are produced in F1 hybrids. That's why it is called as incomplete dominance. Example of the incomplete dominance is flower color of Mirabilis jalapa. In Mirabilis jalapa, there are two varieties of the plants with red flowers and the plants with white flowers. When this red flower variety is crossed with white flower variety, the F1 progeny is obtained with pink flowers. Means this pink color is the intermediate character or the intermediate color. It is not red or it is not completely white. It lies in between them. That's why it is intermediate character which is produced in the F1 hybrid. The genotype of red flower is capital R, capital R. The genotype of white flower is small r, small r. The gametes of red flower are capital R, capital R. Gametes of the white flower are small r, small r. When this capital R unites with small r, the F1 progeny is formed with capital R, small r allele and it is the F1 hybrid, and this F1 hybrid is with pink flowers, and this pink flower is the intermediate character, means it is not completely red or not completely white. That's why it is the example of incomplete dominance. When these pink flowers are selfed, then in F2 generation the red flower variety, white flower variety and the pink flower varieties are formed. See here. This pink flower plant is crossed with pink flower plant. Then the genotype of pink flower is the capital R, small r. The genotype of this pink flower is capital R, small r. Then gametes of the pink flower plant are capital R, small r. This is the F2 progeny and this is the Punnett square board of the F2 generation. These are the gametes of male plant. These are the gametes of female plant. When this capital R unites with this capital R, the progeny with capital R is produced. This capital R unites with this small r, capital R, small r. Then this small r with capital R, small r progeny is formed. Then this small r unites with this small r, small r allele containing progeny is formed. This is the capital R progeny, means red. This is capital R, small r, means pink. This capital R, small r means pink, and this is the small r means the white flower progeny. Then phenotypic ratio. In F2 generation, 1 red flower producing plant, 2 pink flower producing plants and one white flower producing plant is produced. Means phenotypic ratio is 1:2, 2:1. And the genotypic ratio of F2 generation is also 1:2, 2:1. Means here capital R containing one plant, capital R small r allele containing two plants, small r allele containing one plant. Means genotypic ratio is 1:2, 2:1. In incomplete dominance, the phenotypic ratio and the genotypic ratio are same. Next example of the intragenic interaction is the codominance. In codominance, both the alleles of a allelomorphic pair express themselves equally and independently in F1 hybrid. Means both the alleles of the allelomorphic pairs express themselves in equal proportion in F1 hybrid. The example of codominance is coat color in cattle. In cattle, coat color is due to the presence of hairs on the skin. There are two varieties of the cattle, red coat colored cattle and the white coat colored cattle. When this red coat colored cow is crossed with white coat colored bull, then the F1 progeny is obtained with the both coat colors which are produced in equal proportion, and that progeny is called as Royan. How? See here, this red coat colored cow is crossed with a white coat colored bull. The genotype of red cow is the capital R, capital R. The genotype of white bull is the capital W, capital W. Then gametes of the red cow are capital R, capital R. The gametes of the white bull are capital W, capital W. In F1 progeny, this capital R unites with this capital W and a progeny is formed with capital R, capital W, and it is the Royan. Means Royans are the F1 hybrids in which both means red and white coat colors are developed in equal proportion independently. That's why these are called as Royans. When these Royans are interbred with each other, then the F2 progeny is obtained, and in F2 progeny these parental red and the white varieties are also redeveloped. See here how. When this Royan cow is crossed with Royan bull, then F2 progeny is obtained. This Royan cow has the genotype capital R, capital W, while that of the Royan bull has the genotype capital R, capital W. Then the gametes of the Royan are capital R, capital W. Then this is the F2 generation, and these are the gametes of the bull, while that of these are the gametes of the cow, Royan cow. Then when this capital R unites with this capital R, a progeny is obtained with capital R allele. Then this R unites with this capital W, then progeny with capital R W is obtained. This capital W unites with this capital R, progeny with capital R W is obtained. capital W unites with capital W, then the progeny with capital W allele is obtained in F2 generation. This is the capital R means a red coat colored cattle. Then capital R W means Royan. This is again capital R W means Royan, and this is the white with capital W means in the F2 generation red, Royan and the white varieties are developed. Then the phenotypic ratio. In F2 generation this red offspring is 1, Royans are 2 and white is 1. Means phenotypic ratio is red, Royan, white is the 1:2, 2:1. Then genotypic ratio. The capital R containing progeny is 1. The 2R with capital R W means Royan, and 1 is white with capital W means the genotypic ratio is 1:2, 2:1. In codominance also the phenotypic ratio and the genotypic ratios are same, means 1:2, 2:1. In incomplete dominance as well as in codominance, genotypic and the phenotypic ratios are same, and these are 1:2, 2:1. Multiple alleles. The multiple alleles are more than two alternative forms of a gene. Means a particular gene is represented by more than two alternative forms, and these multiple alleles are formed by the mutation of a wild type of gene. During the mutation, this wild type of gene undergoes mutation for several times, and it produces many mutant alleles, and out of these mutant alleles one allele is dominant over the all other mutant alleles. Means the alleles which are produced by the mutation, these are multiple alleles, and out of these multiple alleles one is dominant allele while that of the other is recessive allele. The example of multiple allele is the wing size in Drosophila. In Drosophila fly, there are different types of the wing size which are produced due to the mutant alleles, and these are nothing but the normal wings, nicked wings, notched wings, strap wings and the vestigial wings. These normal, nicked, notched, strap and vestigial are the phenotypic characters. These are the phenotypes, and these are the genotypes of these characters. First is the normal wings, which is a dominant character or the dominant trait over all other alleles, and these normal wings are produced due to the allele Vg plus. Then nicked wings are produced by the allele VGNI allele, and this Ni stands for nicked. Then third type of the wing size is the notched wings, and these notched wings are produced by the VGNO allele. This NO stands for notched. Then strap wings, and these strap wings are produced by the allele VGST. This ST stands for strap. And the last type of the wing size is the vestigial wings, and these vestigial wings are produced by the allele VG, and the vestigial wings is the recessive trait or the recessive character. Means in Drosophila there are different 5 wing size which are produced due to the multiple alleles. Then next example of the multiple alleles is the ABO blood grouping in the human beings. In man, there are different types of the blood groups. Means blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB and the blood group O. These blood groups are determined by the different types of the red blood cells. Means the blood group is developed due to the gene I. Means this gene I is responsible for the expression of the trait or the character, means the blood group. This gene I has three different alleles, and these three different alleles are IA allele, IB allele and the small I allele. And these three alleles are responsible for the expression of different types of the blood groups. The allele IA and the IB produce slightly different forms of the sugars, and the gene I does not produce any type of sugar, and these sugars are present on the plasma membrane of the RBCs. Means these sugar polymers are present on the plasma membrane of the red blood cells, which are produced due to these alleles. Then, in case of the human being, the allele IA and the IB are dominant over the gene small I. Means when the alleles IA and the I together present, then only the IA allele express its character, because this small I doesn't produce any type of the character, means it doesn't produce any type of the sugar. While when IB and the I allele are present, then in this case the IB allele express its character only, means this IB allele produce its particular type of the sugar, because this I doesn't express its character, means it does not produce any type of sugar. But when this IA allele and the IB allele present together, in that case both these IA and the IB alleles produce their own sugars. That's why this IA and the IB both alleles express their characters equally. That's why the example of the ABO blood grouping in case of human being is also of a codominance. Means here it shows the codominance, means both the alleles express their characters in the individual. Then in case of human being, there are three different alleles of the gene I, which is responsible for the expression of a character, means the blood group. And these three different alleles are responsible for the expression of four different blood groups, and these four different blood groups has six different genotypes. Which are these four different blood groups and their six different genotypes? See here, this is the genotype, and phenotype means the blood group. See here, a person with blood group A has the genotype IAIA or IA small I, means this is the homozygous condition, and this is the heterozygous condition. Means person with blood group A has the genotype IAIA or IA small I. While that of the person who has the blood group B that person has the genotype IB means homozygous condition, or IB small I means in heterozygous condition. Then when person has a blood group AB, then its genotype is IAIB. Here both the alleles are present, and these both alleles express their characters, means produce their own sugar polymers. That's why this AB blood group shows the codominance. And the fourth blood group is the O, and this O blood group has the genotype small I, means these alleles does not produce any type of the sugar. These are the different types of the blood groups in human being, means man, and the different 6 genotypes, which is the example of multiple allele as well as codominance.